आज न्हावराफाटा शिरूर येथील मूकबधीर विद्यालयामध्ये एक विशेष कार्यक्रमाचं आयोजन करण्यात आलेलं आहे आणि या कार्यक्रमाचे प्रमुख पाहुणे आहेत जर्मनीचे श्री ऑलिव्हर हॉफमन. ऑलिव्हर हॉफमन हे कोणत्याही संस्थेच्या किंवा कंपनीच्या CSR अंतर्गत नव्हे तर स्वतःच्या सामाजिक बांधिलकीतून या विद्यालयातील विद्यार्थ्यांना मदत करत आहे. गेल्या वर्षी त्यांनी निवासी मूकबधीर विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी गाद्यांची व्यवस्था करण्यासाठी 50,000 रुपयांची आर्थिक मदत दिली होती.
Visit you here when I learned about the project here from your school via Elrin Klinger and Prajak and the team. And I had the possibility last year to come my first time to the school here, and I saw the great work you are all doing here with the children. It was for me a heartfelt to really wish to support you again, because I'm seeing that all the education you are giving to the children, it's really great work, and I really want to support that. And I think some of the faces I think I could remember from last year, and I'm really happy to be here again to see what great work you are doing here with the children. And this was my wish again to come again and donate also again something to you that you can even more support the children here, that they get a great future and learn a lot of things here in the school. So I really have to thank you here from the school that you make that possible, that the kids get such a great support from your side. So thank you very much again, and I'm really happy to be here again. So thank you very much.
या वर्षी भारत दौऱ्यावर असताना त्यांनी पुन्हा एकदा विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कल्याणासाठी आणि शैक्षणिक विकासासाठी स्वतःच्या निधीतून 1 लाख रुपयाची मदत केलेली आहे. Why do you think supporting education is important?
Because education, it's a base later on to work, to do things, to understand things. I think without education, they have no real chance to get a better life.
Thank you. What message would you like to give to people who want to help society?
I mean, I would always propose that people look for such a school to see with what people do to help other people, and this is big motivation to help as well. And everybody should do something like that, with money, without money, to help people for a better future. So
Thank you.
yeah, thank you very much too, and thanks for coming here. So
चला आपण सर्वजण अशा सामाजिक कार्यांसाठी पाठिंबा देऊया आणि समाजात सकारात्मक बदल घडवण्यासाठी आपले योगदान देऊया. धन्यवाद.